Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by installing Google Drive for desktop and signing in with your Google account. Choose between stream files to save disk space or mirror files to keep local copies. Once signed in, grant system permissions so Drive can access folders and run at startup. Make sure to pick which local folders you want synced and optionally set bandwidth limits. This prevents slowdowns. These first steps get your PC connected and establish the sync method that controls how files appear on your machine. Now manage how files sync and how you access them. Click the Drive icon in the system tray to open Preferences and check sync status or pause syncing. Right-click any file or folder to make it available offline, share with collaborators, or view version history for rollbacks. If you prefer, map Drive as a network location in Explorer or Finder for quicker access. Use Selective Sync to exclude large folders or specific file types, so your local storage stays under control and performance remains smooth. Finish by verifying uploads and confirming sharing permissions for collaborators. Set backup tasks for photos and documents to ensure continuous protection. Make it a habit to check version history and trash to recover recent changes or deleted files before permanently emptying trash. If something goes wrong, restart the Drive app first, confirm your internet connection, and reauthorize your account in Preferences. If issues persist, sign out and reinstall the app. This usually resolves stubborn sync errors and restores normal operation quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.